Welcome back to our channel where we discuss health-related topics. Today we are going to talk about a serious liver condition, cirrhosis, and its complications. The liver is an important organ in the human body that performs several functions, including detoxification, protein synthesis, and producing bile. Any damage to the liver can result in various complications that can be life-threatening. So, let's start with an overview of cirrhosis. Please like and subscribe our channel. Cirrhosis is a chronic liver disease that is characterized by the gradual replacement of healthy liver tissue with scar tissue. It is a condition that develops over time, often as a result of long-term liver damage caused by a variety of factors, such as alcohol consumption, viral hepatitis, and obesity. Complication number 1. Portal hypertension. One of the most common complications of cirrhosis is portal hypertension, which is an increase in blood pressure within the portal vein. This vein carries blood from the digestive organs to the liver. When scar tissue forms in the liver, it can block blood flow and increase pressure in the portal vein. This can lead to serious complications, such as ascites, fluid buildup in the abdomen, variceal bleeding, bleeding from enlarged veins in the esophagus or stomach, and hepatic encephalopathy, brain dysfunction caused by a buildup of toxins in the blood. Complication number 2. Ascites. As mentioned earlier, ascites is a common complication of portal hypertension. This condition is characterized by the buildup of fluid in the abdomen, which can cause abdominal swelling, discomfort, and difficulty breathing. Ascites can also increase the risk of infection and kidney problems. Treatment. Ascites may involve a low-sodium diet, medication to remove excess fluid, and occasionally a procedure to drain the fluid. Complication number 3. Variceal bleeding. Varices are enlarged veins that develop in the esophagus or stomach as a result of portal hypertension. These veins can become fragile and prone to bleeding, which can be life-threatening. Symptoms of variceal bleeding include vomiting blood, black or tarry stools, and low blood pressure. Treatment. Variceal bleeding may involve medication to reduce bleeding, endoscopy to locate and treat the varices, or surgery to repair or remove the affected veins. Complication number 4. Hepatic encephalopathy. Hepatic encephalopathy is a neurological complication of cirrhosis that occurs when toxins build up in the blood and affect brain function. Symptoms may include confusion, forgetfulness, personality changes, and even coma. Treatment. Hepatic encephalopathy may involve medication to reduce the buildup of toxins, a low-protein diet, and sometimes a procedure to remove toxins from the blood. Complication number 5. Jaundice. Jaundice is a common symptom of liver disease and occurs when there is an excess of bilirubin in the blood. Bilirubin is a yellow pigment that is normally broken down by the liver. When the liver is damaged, it may not be able to process bilirubin effectively, leading to a buildup in the blood and the characteristic yellowing of the skin and eyes. Treatment. Jaundice may involve addressing the underlying cause of liver damage and managing symptoms such as itching. Complication number 6. Coagulation disorders. The liver plays a critical role in blood clotting. When the liver is damaged, it may not be able to produce enough clotting factors, leading to coagulation disorders. This can result in increased bleeding and bruising, even from minor injuries. Treatment. Coagulation disorders may involve medication to replace missing clotting factors or blood transfusions. Conclusion. Cirrhosis is a serious and often progressive liver disease that can lead to a variety of complications. While there is no cure for cirrhosis, early detection and management can help slow the progression of the disease and prevent or manage complications. If you or someone you know has been diagnosed with cirrhosis, it is important to work closely with a healthcare provider. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.